elevator pitches. They say that you can't live without them. But here's the thing, whether they're 30 seconds, minute 30, everyone's got their own style, own format for doing them. And I'm kind of sick of them. Pitches don't lead to conversation. And yeah, I'm on this video here and we're not really having a conversation, but we're kind of having a conversation, right? You're listening to me. I'm hoping to talk with you. And so I don't want to give you my elevator pitch. What I want to do is share a story. So here's the thing. I believe you want more, way more. Maybe you want to sell more shoes. Maybe you want to educate more students. Maybe you want to figure out what you want more of. Get your business more efficient. The thing is, you probably want to build a business that grows smoothly without wasting precious time or extra cash flow. And to achieve what you desire, you often have to search for the right teams and technology to get the job done, especially in today's economy, right? Does it ever feel like you're starting in the dark without access to the right strategy, research, or extra time? I'm here. My whole business is here to help you achieve what you desire, to show up and share how and why it's possible, plus give you access to my head, my heart, and a vetted group of strategic partners ready to smash the ceiling on what is possible. As a seasoned integrator of people, strategy, and technology, I connect the best companies and executives daily to my curated network of trusted, innovative, and vetted strategic partners who are experts at helping companies just like yours take action on opportunities with their people, their strategy, and their technology. My name's Chris Filipiak. I'm the connector. I do business development as a service. My passion and what I'm really good at is helping people understand where they are, where they want to go, and that way more is possible. And then figuring out how to make it happen by solving their challenges and taking action on their opportunities with their people, their strategy, and their technology. Simple concepts, but things that you can think about. People is change management, culture, conversations, like all those things need to be rocking for you because you want to have an awesome team that comes together and crushes for you. Strategy, vision, mission, alignment, making sure your goals are really moving your organization forward. And then technology is really digital product development, custom software, marketing, data, security, brand, and creative strategy to really empower your people to reach out and move your business forward in a massive way. What I'm doing is talking with people just like you and saying, hey, what do you want more of in your business? What are your goals? What is going to be the thing that actually blows your mind? Because it's totally possible. And I'm interested to find out if together we can figure it out and make it happen. If you want more to happen in your business and you have goals and you are a change maker, an innovator, a futuristic leader, I ask you to get in touch with me so we can have that first conversation. So again, Chris Filipiak, the connector, get in touch. I look forward to talking with you, and I hope you're crushing today.